Hello students, welcome to you all in this part of the teaching learning session. Students, today we will discuss about the Rolle's law. Students, before starting this law, we should discuss about the binary solution. Students, binary as its name it is being clear that the binary mean to say 2. Okay, binary solution is a type of the solution in which two types of the substances which are mixed together and forming a solution, a homogeneous mixture, as we have discussed earlier also. So this Rolle's law is the law which give us the knowledge about its liquid solution, its partial pressure, which give us the knowledge about the partial pressure and the relationship between the mole fraction with the total pressure of that particular substance. In the definition form, we can understand this law as, students, this Rolle's law states that in a solution, the vapor pressure of a component at a given temperature is equal to the mole fraction of that component in the solution, which is multiplied by the vapor pressure of that component in the pure state. I think everybody you are understanding the meaning of these lines. That suppose in a particular pot two types of the liquids which are mixed together. These two liquids may have different volatile condition, and when the vapor pressure of these two types of the liquids which will vaporize above to the surface of that solution, then they will make their vapor pressure. Now this law will give us the knowledge about the relation between the mole fraction with the partial pressure. And if two liquids which are mixed together, then how much will be the vapor pressure formed by these two types of the liquids. Students, over here, if we are considering that the two types of the liquids which are mixed together, then the total pressure, mean to say vapor pressure, the total vapor pressure, suppose P of a solution containing two components A and B is, we can mathematically write as PA is equals to P naught A into XA, where PA is the partial pressure of substance A, P naught A is the total pressure of substance A, and XA is the mole fraction of substance A in the liquid. Similarly, if we are taking for the next component, then PB is equals to P naught B into XB. As like the component A, these are the same words which we can convert it, like PB will be the partial pressure of substance B, P naught B will be the total pressure of the substance B, and XB will be the mole fraction. From the Dalton's law, the total pressure of both of these two components can be written as P is equals to, where just P will be the total pressure, total vapor pressure of component A and component B, as we can add it, that P is equals to PA plus PB. If we put these two values, then P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. As we have discussed in our previous class also, that mole fraction of two components, if we add these two, then it will be equal to 1. If we put the value of XA as the 1 minus XB in the above equation, then PA is equals to mean to say total pressure P will equal to, in the bracket, P naught B minus P naught A bracket close into XB plus P naught A. So this is the equation which shows us the relationship between the vapor pressure of the two substances. Students, this one is the graph also. You can study about these graph with reference of the Rolle's law. Okay. Some of the questions as a worksheet I am giving to you on the basis of this law. I hope that you will try and you will solve these questions which I have given to you in the worksheet. Next point we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.